Here's Mr. Logan. He was just doing some crawling, but now he stopped because he heard the camera. You gonna crawl around? Oh, excuse you. Here he goes. He's looking for the vent cover, but I moved those. Yeah, aren't you? What are you doing? You're silly. Silly guy. Are you gonna throw some toys down there? Hmm? Maybe? Oh, don't hold on to the curtains. It's a good thing you put outlet covers on there. Oh no, what's wrong?